Hey guys, Fishy here. Sometimes it's difficult to tell between a person who's very private with their profile, who's locked it down so that fakers can't get in and steal friend information and whatever, and a faker who's trying to hide behind the same thing. Here's Carleen Hargrove. Carleen has zero information available. There's a couple of pictures. Lives in Lubbock, Texas. Started my own business at Santa Clara, California, and that is it. And when I go up here and look at friends and see about friends, there are no friends to show. There are no likes to show. There are no groups to show. There is nothing. Facebook is not going to help you check out Carleen Hargrove, but the Stalk Scan tool will. And when we put that link in and we look around, we'll see some interesting things like the interests, the pages liked, Vigo Video India. Okay, that's interesting. And we scroll down some more. There's a Beijing news company. And yeah, more Beijing here. That's interesting. Bangalore, India tours. Yeah, so this is more Bangalore, India. It looks like we're centered in that part of the world. Here's something from Mumbai, Chennai. All of these places are saying to me, this is India. And so when we look again at tags of pictures, so pictures that this profile, Carleen, has been tagged in, this is what we get. That doesn't look a bit like Carleen's profile photos, does it? Not at all. So this is another indicator that we're probably on the track of a faker, right? When we look at posts that Carleen was tagged in, this is what we get. Yeah, so again, none of this matches what's on the profile. The real kicker, of course, is always when we get to photos commented on. Photos commented on are these. This is what the Carleen profile comments on. And there's a whole bunch of it. And when we get to this photo right here with these two guys, and we search to find out where Carleen made a comment, we will find a tag right under it, Mohammed Furqan Uddin. Right there, Carleen Hargrove. I know you're not surprised because we've done this so many times, probably 50 times by now. But you need to know that Stalk Scan is a great tool to help you uncover things about lockdown profiles, whether they're trying to friend you or whether they're trying to share fakery in your feed. That's how you could spot a little bit better sometimes where they come from and what they're up to. So share this video and spread the word about Stalk Scan and try it for yourself. Take a link from a profile that you may get in your friend requests. Put in the link here and go digging through. Go look through what they're tagged in, what the comment on, what interests, what pages they've liked, what places they've checked into, or what videos and posts and groups they've got. It'll help, and you'll feel better because you'll know you've been checking these profiles out before accepting them.